Actually, they also had a little toolkit that's kind of made for, you know, their Mac Pros and stuff. It's got a little pry tool and it's got the correct size. I believe it's 00 Phillips and a Torx, which is I believe T6, which is what the hard drive uses as well. So because you know I've stripped out quite a few screws using the wrong screwdriver, so I don't want to do that again as well. And let me change. And we're going to switch camera shots real quick so you guys can see as I'm doing it. Now keep in mind I've never done this before, and I also on their site, if you go on to Other World Computing, they do have tutorial videos how to upgrade different things, Mac Pros and so forth. And I did review the video just to make sure there was something I didn't mess up, because you know, Macs can be a little expensive and I want to tear that up. Yeah, I don't want to rucker it up. So yeah, definitely don't want to do that. And I got this. I tell you what, man, these mosquitoes are getting bad here. They should all be dead by now. And let me see if I got this right here. And I'm trying to remember. Now, I know on this, the when you take the back cover. By the way, this is a 2009 or early 2009 Mac Pro 15-inch, just the base model. And on that, I believe these 3 screws are longer, the top 3 right here, than the rest of them. So obviously you got to make sure you put them in the right place when you reinstall. Yeah, I lucked out on the camera angle on that one. And I figure, actually, to tell you the truth, it's kind of anticlimactic because watching the video, it's really not that hard. But I figured that maybe nobody actually seen one being done before, so since it's a tech show, you know, we might as well do it at least once, twice, 3 times a lady. And let me see. Well, that screw's really tiny. And figures I didn't get my reading glasses on this either, because it's very hard to. And then we got, yeah, it is a long screw on that one. Yeah, at least the screws are easy to take out, that's for sure. I'll try to give you a close-up on the screw, I guess. They're so tiny. Oh, that's kind of a weird looking screw as well. The threads are only like at the very... Now, I'll see if it'll refocus. The screws are actually only the last maybe 1/4 inch, I guess. Yeah, see, it's not refocusing now. There you go. Now it's whiting out now. See, that's why I switched damn cameras, because they're never could get the damn thing to work right. Yeah, drill proof. My luck. I'll like drive the whole thing on the floor. It won't boot up. I'm like, well, show's over. Climactic ending, I guess. Now, hopefully, when I did the install, I just hooked it up to the Mac Pro. The install went fine, so hopefully, once we put the drive in there, it'll boot up right away. What I meant to do, but I forgot to do it, I was going to time it. I actually got a stopwatch. And I was actually going to time the before and after boot, but I forgot to do the before boot, and then obviously we'd see... you know, the time difference, and I meant to do it earlier, you know, because I was going to... Or that screw doesn't want to come out. Wow. It's being a rucker. Just doesn't want to come out. Wow. Ah, there we go. I'm being careful because I want to strip out these screws because they're so damn tiny. Yeah, it seems like they're a little bit harder to get out. Oop. Right, much of these little tiny screws right here. That's how big the damn thing is. My fingers cover it all the way up. And I don't want to lose them either, that's for sure. Oh yeah, I should drink my wine as I'm doing this. My bottle of wine I got. Then I spill it inside the Mac Pro. Perfect, wouldn't it? Let's boot her up. They really cranked those in there, those little tiny ones. Man, I tell you what, I don't want to lose that on the carpeting. I'll never find that damn thing. See, you got about 2 more. Happy computing. Come on. Yeah, I gotta be careful. I don't want to drop. I bet you, man, I drop it. I'll never find this. They're so small and tiny. That would suck. So I gotta be careful. In fact, let me move this away from the carpeting a little bit. Dang. I think Macs are into left-handed cig smoking. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Let me see. I figure it'd be the other way around. PCs are more like beer drinkers, and the Macs are... yeah, Randy Rucker, he has a Mac Pro, so MacBook Pro. Okay, I think that's all the screws. Hopefully they're going to stay put. Now let's see if I can get the cover off. They make it look so easy in the video. See, did I get all the... I don't know if it's a snap-on. It won't come off. Oh, oops. Hopefully I didn't break any plastic or anything. Oh. Let me put it in the box here. Okay, there's the innards. And maybe I should... I'm touching the Mac Pro. Hopefully that'll ground me a little bit for what I have to do. And let me take off my glasses. I can't see, these screws are so small. Okay. It's got some kind of little T-bar that goes across here, and hopefully I did it right. Oh, I'm gonna lose that damn screw. Kind of forgot the official name. It's like a retainer bar, I guess. And it doesn't want to come out. Oh. I think it's fitted in there where it's, you don't have to remove it. It's just part of the assembly. You just unscrew it and take the whole thing out. That's what I'm guessing, but. Okay, I gotta put my glasses. I can't see a damn thing. And yep, I think it is. I guess so you don't lose it. Yeah, it's in there. In fact, I should kind of screw it back in some more. I'm going to make sure I put everything in the way it's supposed to be. There you go. Okay, theoretically the drive should pop out, but like Ronnie Rucker says, anything can and probably will go wrong. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, I'll go ahead and show you this, by the way. There's the retaining bar that goes on the right side of the drive. So, and now it's got a little SATA clip right here. You got to take that off as well. And I can't see a damn thing. Hopefully that thing's a little durable. I'm afraid I'll push that out. But so far, so good. Whoa, there we go. So that's, I guess, the SATA connection right there for the mechanical drive. Kind of just lies flat in there. There's actually, well, it says you're supposed to leave this little tab as well. And we'll probably save it to put it on the other drive. There's actually four little, I don't know if you can see it. Let me put my glasses back on. But there's actually four little, they're like screws or alignment screws that you got to take off as well. And the camera's whiting out. Crappy camera. And, oh, I forgot. You got to use a Torx on this one, which I believe is a number 6. Yeah, T6. It wouldn't work. And we're gonna install that on the new drive as well. So yeah, look at that. The damn camera's whiting out big time. Okay, we got 2 out, 2 to go. Okay, there, Sergeant. Yeah, we'll be here for a little while longer. Quite a bit. And hopefully everything will go okay. Let's see. Okay, I got that one. Kind of putting it over the table so it doesn't drop on the floor inside the Mac Pro where I can't get to it. So pretty much that was the 4 alignment screws. And I'm going to put this drive back in the static bag that came with the new drive. Probably this is going to be the backup. Get my files or other things. I forgot to get the files off, but I can get those back pretty easily. So there we go. Got it in the anti-static bag. And let me see, we got the other drive. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 4 aligning pins in here. And of course, close up of the new drive. The other one I didn't have zoomed in as well. So and this one's gonna be a kind of a pain. Holy snikes, that's small. Figure maybe this will allow me to put it in the... Sure that's lined up. I don't know if that even fits in there.